Hi everybody, this is Dr. Bricker here. This video is going to describe the remaining one-third of the class. Although we only met about 10 days ago, it seems like we met months ago with everything that's happened in the world, but hopefully you're staying safe and we'll get through this last third of the class. So this is the Blackboard page, and just wanted to show you a little bit of what I've done with the syllabus and how we're going to go forward with the last really maybe 5 weeks of the class or so. So I've updated the syllabus just a little bit, and I've added this section here. Okay, scrolling down. It's this little bit here in the blue about campus emergency. So as you know, we're in the midst of global COVID-19 outbreak. Major campus emergencies like this, course requirements, deadlines, grading percentages are subject to change, and I'll go through some of the changes. Now the best way to get in contact with me, I listed a few things here. Blackboard, my email, that's the best way. I also put my cell phone number here, but this is in case you just can't get a hold of me any other way. So 219-201-8229, and if you're going to try to reach out to my cell phone, just text me. That would be, let me know who you are. But again, the preferred way is just through email, and I should get back to you right away that way. So let me mention a few other things about the syllabus and how we're going to go forward. So obviously we're not going to be meeting in person. So if you want to see me during class time, so remember class is between 12:30 and 1:45, I can set up a WebEx meeting with us. So just let me know ahead of time, and we could do a WebEx meeting. Basically, it's kind of like a FaceTime meeting, and we could have multiple students at the same time. But just let me know ahead of time. I'm not going to set up a room and just sit there with nobody in it. So let me know, and no problem, we could easily set that up. So if you've got a webcam too, I can see you, you can see me, you can see my screen, we can work on whatever you want to. So just let me know. Again, the best way to get in contact with me is through email. Now labs, we're not going to be doing in-person labs. We're going to be doing a combination of PHET, those are those simulations, PHET activities, and some labs where I give you the data and then you can do a write-up. So more about that in just a minute. The homework's going to be the same. You still can access the homework through Mastering Physics. Remember, that's where the e-text is. I'm still going to give you the lecture notes, and I'm going to provide you easy access to some course videos. So I will show you those in a minute. So homework the same. Lab will be some lab activities. Percentages are going to stay the same. I'm still planning on having the third test and the final exam. I just haven't worked out the details on that yet. So it'll be some version of an online test for exam 3 and the final exam. Okay, so let me show you a new look for the course content. So still same thing, learning materials. This is still the Mastering Homework link. You can access homework there, e-text, study area, everything that you did before. Learning materials, though, going forward, I'm going to be organizing these by weeks. Now, the toughest thing about an online class is keeping organized. So if you're in class, notes, you know what we're doing in class, you can follow the notes. Same thing with labs, practice exams. But in the online environment, it's really hard to get lost on what you're supposed to be doing. So I've broken this down by weeks, so you know exactly what to do starting Monday. So week 11, here's all the stuff you need for week 11. So that's this Monday through the next Monday. Here's kind of a outline of it. So content videos, I took the videos from the study area and I arranged them in a kind of a sequential order. These are a combination of the author's in-class videos and some pre-lecture videos. So in addition to reading the chapters, this week coming up we're dealing with one section of chapter 3, the circular motion part, and then chapter 6. So these are the videos that go along with it. I'll just click on one so you can see what it looks like. So there's the author of the book. You can go through and take a look at that. Okay, so If you want read and then watch the videos and then read, however you want to do it, whatever suits your purposes. But just know that that stuff is all here for you. And force and circular motion, solving circular motion problems, orbits and gravity, that's all there. The notes for Chapter 6 are here as well. They actually include that one section of Chapter 3 and then Chapter 6. So these are the PowerPoint notes. You have that available to you. Actually included a link here for homework 7. I mean, you can still go mastering homework, pick out homework 7, but just to keep it all together, I put it here. So there's two ways of accessing that. Homework 7 help. This is a video that I made, and the sound quality on this is not as good as it's going to be going forward, but it's pretty good. I've got a new microphone that I have now, so in the future the audio will be better. It's still okay on homework 7 help, but it'll be better in the future. And this is just me going through the homework questions and you know, giving you some hints, working out some of the problems. Okay, so that is there for you. It's really a link to a YouTube video. Let me go back. And then finally, Circular Motion Lab. So let me click on this. Let's see where it's at here. It's right here, centripetal force activity. And it's due a week from Friday. So really this would be the lab that we would have been doing this Friday, or well, a version of it anyway. And then it would be due the following Friday. So this is due a week from Friday. So go through here. Let me show you what it looks like. And you go to this website here, and then you go through and do the activity, answer the questions, do the calculations. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. I mean, you could actually type it out, or if you write it out by hand, you still have to get it to me somehow, so you're going to have to, if you type it out, it's already there, you can upload it to me. If you do it by hand, you'll have to figure out a way to either scan it, or maybe take some pictures with your phone, some way to get a digital copy, because you're going to have to upload it. So again, if you just go along and type this out, that's fine. You can type it out. You can use math type if you need to, however you want to do that, and then upload it. Or if you write it out by hand, you might have to figure out a way to scan it or take a picture of it and you know, upload it that way. So how do you upload it? So if you see here, you know it's due next a week from Friday, April 3rd, and then when you submit it, you just submit it this way. So browse my computer, wherever you stored it, upload it that way. Okay, so so this week coming up, one section of Chapter 3 and the rest of Chapter 6. Here are all the videos for you. Here's the PowerPoint notes. Homework 7 goes along with that. If you need help with the homework, there's a video that helps you with the homework. There is a lab, so go through the circular motion activity and then submit it by Friday, April 3rd. Now I realize there's probably going to be some hiccups along the way. I mean, switching to an online format after 10 weeks is a big disruption. So try not to bog that down. If you need more time on things, just let me know. Need help doing anything, let me know. And then if you want to meet, like during class, send me an email. My email address is in the syllabus. And let me know, and I can set up a WebEx meeting for us. So even if you don't have a webcam, you have audio, I know. That will still work. You'll see me, I just won't see you. And I could share my screen. We can work on whatever you want to. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and be safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.